I want to show you a way to sell on Facebook with something called pinned posts.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And if you have a Facebook group or a Facebook business page, you can do this on both of them. So here's a post of mine. This is my own group that I own. So if it's a group or page that you own, what you can do is, let's say you go to your post, and on the top right of the post right here, you expand that and you say pin post. And what you do, that post then appears on top, right? So for example, actually this is a pinned post of mine. You see I posted on December 27th and today is January 25th, right? So this is a post from a long time ago, but it's on top. Why is it on top? Because it's a pinned post. And from the pinned post, you can make an offer, some kind of offer to your product, or get people to sign up for your email list, whatever that you want to promote. The pinned post offers you the opportunity to do that. And this is a group. You can do the same thing with this is my business page. And you can do the same thing here. You can say pin to the top, and you will get that post to get pinned to the top. Okay? So that's how you do it. If you don't have your group, what you can do is you can actually approach other groups, more established groups, and pay them a little bit of money to pin their post, to pin your post to the top of their group. So maybe like some kind of a sales product offer. Maybe you can pay them a little bit and see if that works to get you sales. So that's a really good way to use pinned posts in 3 ways: on your group, on your business page, and on other people's groups and business pages. Okay?